You know what I mean?
Alright, well that makes me feel better.
So you see this, it's gonna go in like this. We gotta fucking take a hair off of this. This one crazy. What we're doing right now is we're gonna make this illuminated Absolute Electronix sign. And it's gonna be really fucking cool. Really, really fucking cool. Illuminated panel, and you're gonna put it up on here like so. You see that? Just like so. So now you have a see-through part right here. You see that? You can see right through it. Okay. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna attach this with some tape. Oh, we're gonna make sure it fits, and then we're gonna attach it with some special tape. Some special tape from, look at that, that's fucking perfect. Don't you love it when a plan comes together? Don't you love it when a plan comes together?
Yes.
So we got a little lip here, and this little lip is by design because our other piece that comes inside here is gonna sit under this lip. So, if this is the case, I need to do a few things to make sure that this all works and that I can get this in and out, because what I don't want to happen is we make this really cool piece right here and it don't fit. And it don't fit. See, it don't fit. If it don't fit, you must have quit. You know what that's from, Gary? Or are you too young for that?
I'm too young for that.
One of the greatest court cases of all time.
Greatest court cases?
One of them, yeah. All time. All time. All right, so.
Why don't you put that part first and then the second part?
Because I will need to eventually at some point do that, but I kind of want to show off this little dealie that we got. And it's going to be easier to do it. That will be there. This will be here like this. This sign will go in like so. Just like that, right? So we're gonna have to work out the right and left in the front, but this is what we got going on. And I think I have another idea for all this other stuff, but we're coming together. Now, you see what we got going on right now? You see that?
Yes.
You can see wood back there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
We're gonna cut another set of these things in clear, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the clear up so that it fits snug in here. So we're gonna take up the amount of room the laser beam takes, which is 0.001 millimeter or inches, and we'll lock those pieces in there, and those pieces will go locked in there and they won't go anywhere because of the piece that's behind there. You see that? Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap this piece that's behind there in this LED that goes around the whole thing. What will happen is that this piece of acrylic will light up. Once this piece of acrylic lights up, then it's going to light the interior of this thing. It's gonna reflect all that light this way. And since we'll have all that stuff there, those lights will actually light up around that thing. It's a really cool effect. And I can't wait to show you guys and have you guys steal it from me and use it on your own cars and use it against me because you're fucking assholes. It's awkward silence. I was trying for awkward silence. I think it worked, huh? Nothing more annoying than a piece of shit can of spray paint. It wasn't one of paint. Like so, like boom, like behind the whole thing, like that. Go behind the whole fucking thing, like so. This goes here, like so. Like so-ish, like that. And then, yeah, this goes, I like this. Okay. Just like that. That's perfect. So you see we have our whole dealie there. Mr. Gary. You know why we have tape on this shit, Gary?
No.
Do you want to know why?
Yes.
Do you care?
Yes, I care.
You don't care about me, Gary. This shit hurts my feelings. You like hurting my feelings, Gary?
No.
Do you enjoy hurting my feelings, Gary? Is it something that you go home and you...
No, it's not something I can go home and plan out.
I think you do. I think you plan on ways to hurt my feelings, Gary. I think people in the comments should talk about how Gary's hurtful towards me. Okay. So, we got this foil tape that is super awesome. And the reason I like to use this, guys, is because you can get it in these crevices like a motherfucker. And it's not going anywhere. This tape is the motherfucking shiznits. It's the shiznits. So, reflective tape. It's gonna reflect the shit out of this. Another X, and it's gonna sit on top of that like that. You see what I'm saying, Gary?
Oh, I can't see because you're moving. Okay.
So you see how that fits in there?
Yeah.
But it's loose. We're gonna make another piece that sits in there flush. Like, it'll be thicker than this X. So when it goes in there, it will just sit completely flush. And then we'll take this letter and stick it on top. And that will make this, when it's turned off. Now you got this, right? And you have to use your imagination.
My imagination?
Yeah, your imagination.
Oh.
See?
Oh.
Well, now we're gonna also have to paint the back of this black because you can see through it. What do you think?
Cool.
I like it. I think it's, you know, it's just part of my design philosophy as a designer to just joking. I'm joking. So this thing's a little bit opaque, so we're gonna have to paint the back of this so we can concentrate all that beautiful light towards the front of the thingy.
You didn't explain why you have all the red tape there for.
Oh, because that's double-sided tape. That's the next step. That's the next step. It's not the next step, but it's the next step. We are getting closer to this. Let me give you guys a sneak peek of this. So you got the Absolute Electronix, and look at that. Look. Whoop, whoop, whoop. All right.